We have different customer groups, ASSA ABLOY companies and HID, but to be together in a stand, that shows really what we can do as a company, and I think it is something really for us to be proud of. More and more of our sales is coming out of new products. We've gone from 10%, passing 20% at the end of last year, and we're heading for 25%, which is our target. And mobile is growing at a very high pace, and we see very good opportunities to grow our business through that. Many new applications, and we are taking a clear leadership here.
We utilize the fantastic skills of HID in their field, and you combine it with excellent skills from the mechanical guys, and I think that brings even more strength to us as a group. 10 years ago, 4% said that they would like to utilize the phone for opening doors. Similar research was done 3 years ago, and then it was 4% that said that they didn't think it was a good idea. So it's moving ahead, and if you look at the young kids today, I mean, they live with their phone in their hands, and of course they won't change when they grow up. So I think it's here to stay. Convenience is the base for it all. And if it's convenience, it also increases security. Because if it's convenient to lock a door and open a door, then the door is going to be locked. If it's not convenient, then people are going to let it open. But we can see in the whole world that this Internet of Things, it's going to be more and more electronics in anything. And that is a driver of itself. As we know, our business is very locally driven from a locks point of view, from a standards point of view. So what we try to do is developing platforms that we see could have a continental or a global base. And on top of those, then we build the local standards and codes. So in cooperation between all the divisions, I should say, in the group, we define electronic software platforms that could fit everyone.
Mobile technology is indeed very, very important for us. Until a couple of years ago, the whole thing about NFC was a big buzz, but with no real traction. And I think right now we see real products and real solutions that are hitting the market, and sales, for example, in our hospitality division are growing very, very fast, and this is now moving into the other divisions. And I believe that this is part of the future for sure, all about using mobile keys as a replacement for credentials, offering, whether it's the commercial customer or the consumer, highly secured solutions, but with great level of convenience. The push of new products is very, very important for us, and the current ratio of 25% of sales coming from new products is something that I'm very proud of, because we've been working so hard on the new products and the new technologies, and it's great to see that the customers believe in our solutions. I think the cooperation between HID and ASSA ABLOY, in this case ASSA ABLOY EMEA, is great. It's very exciting. I think every party brings its own strengths, and I think together it's a very powerful proposition, and I think the standard really speaks for itself. And I think the future is not only about cooperation with external parties, it's also about growing cooperation inside the ASSA ABLOY group.